a couple times. I have a 1080 Ti right now, but I've never upgraded my processor or my my RAM or my motherboard, which are the three that have to get upgraded. Oh, that's a different one. Oh, I got the turkey. Yeah, I don't even. Where are we going? But yeah, man, do it. Like I want to do 1080p at like 90 plus, 1440. Dude, I have a 1080p ultra wide. 1080p is fine. Because like not a lot of games can even run 4K. I don't know if you stream or anything. Like you can't really stream in 4K. I don't think on Twitch. I think is 1080 the highest? I don't know if you could stream in 4K on Twitch. Like definitely not as an affiliate. I'm nowhere near being a partner. But I know with partners it's different. Oh, another one of these doors. Oh, God. I'd stick to the max of 1440. Yeah. Yeah, even like I in my head I would rather have more frames than higher resolution. So I stuck with I forget what this one's called. I got a Samsung monitor. I have a 35. Is this 35? I think it's 35. It's like 35-inch ultra wide. But I mean it's only 1080p. But it's 144 hertz. I mean as long as you get at least 144 hertz, you can't really go wrong. Sorry, a little bit of a rant there. 1440 and 90 would be... That's going to be tough. Because right now I'm at... I think I have... I don't even know what my... What's this set at? So I don't even have everything on ultra. I have it all on high. At like... Was this 2K? Because it's ultra wide. And I'm only getting... Well, in the menu I have about almost 200. I'm only getting about 90 frames right now. But I think it's more on my CPU for being crappy. Wait, what? Where the hell am I supposed to go? Damn it. Wait, what? Oh, that's what I'm looking for. There we go. I mean, you can lower some. I mean, it's fine. As long as they get over, like, 90 or so frames, I'm good.
Greetings, Katasak.
Vertirtumat. What can I do for you?
Dude, how's Constantine doing?
How is my cousin doing?
He's filled with dread as death approaches.
God.
Forgive him his mood swings. He's such a young boy, and he had so much desire to live. Thanks to my treatment, he suffers less. But his disease is getting worse, and I don't know what to do. It would take a power far superior to mine to break the grasp of this evil.
You know what? Give me like a 30-second break again. I've been pounding water. I will be right back. I just have to go pee real quick. All right. I was thinking about going with the 5600 XT. What is that? Is that a graphic card? Oh, the AMD. Alright, no, that's a processor, right? As for his help with the
I'm
meeting?
looking to meet Enormil Frichterman. I went all the way to the village council.
But they did not let you speak to Glendan the Elder.
Precisely. They said that only the friends of a member of the council might enter.
This seal
Oh, it's a graphics card?
will
Yeah, I'm an
allow
idiot.
you to give voice to the friends of your clan, those who may speak in your name. Here, friend of Wenxavier. Take my seal and go and meet Glendan. But you must convince him and no doubt pass many trials. Many monsters and traps are hidden on the path you seek to follow.
Thank you, Katasach. Why are you helping me?
We do not wish to lose the one who placed his life in my hands. And you have already shown me your friendship.
I hope that Glendan will allow you to meet this god, cousin. Leave as soon as you can. Godspeed.
Have no fear. I'll do whatever it takes. I must go.
What Awalam say?
So a friend of mine actually just did like a full red build, like AMD processor, AMD graphics card, and like not to like be the rain on your parade or anything, but he returned everything. I don't know. I don't remember why. I don't know if it like overheated or something, or if he did something, or it just didn't work out the way he wanted it to. But yeah, that was just his experience with it, at least. I don't really know what he did, but it basically came from me wanting to say that I wanted to upgrade my computer. How's this stream been running? I haven't been watching it. Has it been choppy or anything? I don't have I only have my one monitor right now, so I can't really see it.
You have returned. The rule is still the same, you know.
Could be how he built it, because I don't see problems with the AMD build. No, like AMD is like fantastic. Don't get me wrong. I
Here
think
is the
maybe
seal of the Denegad Katasach
It's
of
running
the
fine.
village
Alright,
of
good.
Wenxavier.
And so you are a trusted friend of the great healer. He must see your true face and find it worthy. Enter. You are welcome.
Let's see what they got. Whoa. It's a sweet ass room.
I give you warm greetings, Glendan. I am Disarday, legate of the Congregation of Merchants.
Your merchant congregation sways me very slightly from my path. But you are a current of Katasach. His trust in you makes me stop and look at you. What brings you here?
I seek a remedy. My cousin, as well as many other people on our island, suffer from a terrible sickness. We think that only Enormil Frichterman can help us find a cure.
Really? And Katasach sent you to see me?
He told me that the only way to meet with your god was to come and see you. You would judge our worthiness.
Judge your intentions? Yes, that I can do. But even if I should do this, you would have many trials to pass.
Let's do it.
For
I'll
the
pass them all.
path you seek to follow has only been tread but a very few times, and you are the first Renaigse to set foot upon it. We must begin where everything begins. There is a trial. The trial of water. It will show us the reflection of your soul.
What must I do?
You must go to a cavern and tell me what you see on the seal you will find deep in its center.
And this cavern is guarded, I suppose.
That is true. But the simplest solution is not always the best. It is a path with many forks. I hope you will prove that you understand the spirit of our people and our island. Go now. Show us your true face, and return purified by the waters of the cavern.
Okay.
I must leave. Goodbye.
Qua Awelem said.
Yeah. Bumblebee tuna to you as well.
You have spoken to Glendon as you wanted. What more can I do for you?
Ask about the trial of water.
I was asked to pass the trial of water. What do you know about it?
I have never passed it. Only those who must reveal their soul walk this path. The High Kings and Queens. It is a tremendous honor given to you, Renaigse.
Do you have any advice to give me?
I only know that the trial can be passed in many ways, and your choice will reveal the makings of your soul. One way is through strength, the other by ruse and heart. But I know no more than this. The trials are kept secret. Anything else?
Nothing else.
No,
Thank
that's
you.
it, man. Thank
I
you.
need to leave.
Good luck. And do not lose yourself in your own reflection.
Okay. They become so better for the price. The products are better than NVIDIA's price. Oh yeah, for what you get, yeah. I think like bang for your buck, AMD's the way to go.
These beasts are feeding on this carcass. If we manage to pour some sleep production on it.
Why would I do that? How about we just do the old quick save? Just wreck their whole day.
Poison on my blade. And let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. Your magic is running out. Take a potion.
Nice, dude. Fuck. Man, that sword's nice. Okay, so far no forks. Let's do this trial.
This room is full of beasts that the natives call dorsentats. They seem to be resting. Perhaps we can pass without waking them if we move silently.
No. Let's just deal with these guys.
Protect me in this battle. And let's go! This made of shadow engulf our enemies.
Oh, okay. Gotta hate bats are like, I hate the bats in this. please? Okay. Come on, man, we stunned each other? That don't make no sense. Oh, shit. I went to check chat for 1 second. Oh, man. Get an AMD depending on the brand you get. Oh, the brands don't matter. Yeah, it's the same thing with the... Like if you go with GeForce, like brands don't matter.
They seem to be resting. Perhaps we can pass. Let's go! Potion if you want to cast more spells. Your magic is running out. Take a potion. I need healing. May the shadow engulf our enemies. I am wounded.
Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Drink it, drink it. Stop that. God. Dick. Just gonna let my mana refill a little bit. Or go in for a big boy head. Bats are the worst, man. Oh, to go the other way, I need vigor anyway. Shit. Definitely not a vigor build. Wonder how many trials this guy has. Let's enter the cave. I mean, no matter what I do.
Hey, are you still with us? You have that same empty look, just like when you spoke to that tree.
I had a new vision. Yes. And I suppose that it was the key to a new ritual.
We're listening. In that cavern, with the trial that awaits us, we should leave nothing to chance.
I was in the sky. I was floating, carried by the wind. And it was a cold feeling. I was high up, and it was getting colder and colder. I felt my blood freezing in my veins. I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the sun warmed me. Suddenly I bounced on the ground. And I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then, just like before, the vision dissipated. And I was suddenly with you again.
Okay. Another Nadag up here. Oh, is this another one of... damn it, I gotta remember the story again.
On this stone, the sun is visible. This stone bears the image of a storm. This stone is blackened, eaten away. This stone is adorned with the etching of a drop of water. Here this looks like a snowflake. This drawing looks like an infant. The drawing on this stone makes me think of fire.
Okay.
I'm certain.
Tell us again what you saw when you touched this basin.
I was in the sky. I was floating,
Storm.
carried by the wind. And it was a cold feeling. I was high up, and it was getting colder and colder.
Freeze.
I felt my blood freezing in my veins.
Okay.
I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the sun warmed me. Suddenly I bounced on the ground. And I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then,
Water.
just like before, the vision dissipated. And I was suddenly with you again.
There we go. Sweet. Now what? Do I just handle this, I guess? Go. name it? Okay. Wait, what? Okay. That would have been a nice little cutscene to have, I guess.
This must be the seal that Glendan spoke about. It looks like the silhouette of the mountain of Teofredi, and a face is drawn within it.
Nice. So maybe if I mess that up, I would have had to fight that thing? Which makes me kind of wish I messed it up, because I wanted to fight that thing.
Bertir to Mad on Olmanawi. I congratulate you for passing the trial. Enter.
Big Poppy's home. Wait, what? No, this is of course not one. Yeah, there we go.
And so you have returned. Can you tell me what the seal deep within the cavern brings into your mind?
A face in the mountain of Teofredi.
Then you have seen the true face of the island when looking into her waters. And the island has seen inside you. You have given the blood of the animals that protected the entrance to the passage. You have chosen strength a first time. In the second room, you have awoken the Dosentats to better best them. Finally, you have completed the ritual. And in so doing, the Guardian recognized you as a wise man. You choose to trust the way of rules and wisdom. It is a difficult path, but it carries generous fruits. The island has seen your intelligence and also your compassion. The friendship of Katasach towards you no longer surprises me.
Am I authorized to encounter Enor Milfrictamen now? To present him with my request?
If the High King agrees, yes. We shall not oppose that decision. Only a High King or High Queen is allowed to open the sanctuary. I warned you. Your voyage is far from over.
I suppose that I'm going to need to convince them as well. Where can I find them?
I do not know. And I believe that it may be another trial on your path to find the one you seek.
Is he hiding? Has he been captured?
He disappeared several months ago.
Oh, God.
Since then, we have not heard from him. He was worried about the Renaigse. The last people to have seen him, I'm told, were the most important chiefs of the clans here at the council. There was Deirdre, Blatnid, Ulan, and Dunkas.
I fear that Queen Bladnid can no longer help us.
Yes, we have learned of her fate. Some battles cannot be won twice. Deirdre is the Mal of the clan of the Storm Warriors. You will find her in the village of Vedlug.
I've already met her. She sent me to confront a guardian.
That sounds like her. Ulan is the Mal of the village of Vignamri, near the coast. It is said that he welcomes the Renaigse. As for Dunkas, he leads the Vigigidor. He is the chief of the Earth Healers. His village is not very far from the Didekid and Nadages.
Very well. I will go and see them. Try to find this High King. Thank you, Glendan.
Kwa'awalamsek. I hope that you will find him.
Oh, I will. Come on, you know I will. All right. Side quest? Nah, let's just keep going. Speak to Constantine about the sanctuary. Let's go see how our boy Constantine's doing, man. He was looking rough the last time I saw him. He is knocking on death's door.
Lieutenant, I demand an explanation. Tell us what is going on. We haven't heard anything about Lord D'Orsay's condition in spite of our inquiries. We are extremely worried. And then, all of a sudden, one of his guards appears, shaken and on his own, though he is part of his retinue.
Please, allow me the chance to shed some light, my lady.
Your soldier is nothing more than a coward for abandoning his highness.
Tell me, what is going on?
This soldier has just reported in. He is asking for reinforcements. He believes that Lord D'Orsay has been attacked.
He believes? He ran here without full knowledge of what happened firsthand.
I was sent on patrol far from the camp, but I heard screams, from men and from beasts. I wanted to return to camp, but then I heard a deafening sound, grinding, like a landslide. I thought then it would be best just to go and get help.
Thank you, Lieutenant. You are dismissed. I would like to have a discussion with this man alone.
Yes, sir.
My lady, could you lead these fine people into the hallway, if you would be so kind?
Certainly. I deplore this embarrassing turn of events, but know that you have my full support in all circumstances.
In the interest of avoiding a general panic, tell me precisely what happened back there.
Your cousin ordered us to escort him beyond the town limits. The Islander convinced him to go on some journey.
By Islander, do you mean the Denegad that came to treat his affliction?
Yes. A strange bird. Missing more than one feather, you ask me, sir. I was ordered to set up patrol along a small path, rather far from the rest of the company. I was told to protect our perimeter from anyone wandering along. According to the Islander, it was the only access to their planned destination. I did my rounds for quite some time. Not a soul came along. But then I heard cries a ways off, and I went running to help. I heard an enormous crashing sound like an avalanche of rocks. So then I turned right back around.
And you ran all the way here?
Where was
Do
this
you know
attack?
precisely where the company was when you heard these sounds?
No, not precisely. I hadn't gone there. But I could show you where I was posted. The Islander said they were following the path, but he was quite a ways ahead when I lost sight of them.
Why didn't you investigate?
Why didn't you go and look for yourself? To see if they had been buried by a rock slide?
What? Alone? What could I have done? It seemed of greater urgency to go and get help.
I'm still having trouble deciding if cowardice or intelligence got the best of you. But that's a question for your superiors.
What was the
My
purpose of the
cousin was
expedition?
quite weak. Do you know why he decided to follow the Denegad?
His Highness was feeling much better. The potions that he was drinking must have been potent. I mean to show no disrespect to His Highness, but that Islander had the high ground in the War of Wits. I wasn't privy to their counsel. I haven't the beginning of an explanation for the expedition, but your cousin was all full of enthusiasm and ordered that we set out as quick as we could make ready.
That sounds like him. What sort of mess has he gotten himself into? Again?
I am sorry, sir, but I don't know anything else I could tell you.
Dismissed, soldier. Looks like I'm going on an expedition.
Thank you, sir.
Let's do it then, I guess. All right. Where are we going? Question all three of them. See if this guy knows.
To what do I owe the pleasure of your visit?
Ask about the High King.
I'm in need of your help, Ulan. I'm looking for your High King Vinbar. I was told that you were one of the last people to see him.
I wouldn't know where you could find him. He disappeared moons ago. But you are our ally, our friend. I will tell you about the last time I met with him. We had met in the council at Dorhad Genadu to decide what to do about the Renaigse, but we were unable to come to an understanding. Some of us are full of violence and refuse to see what we gain by befriending your kind. Deirdre and the poor Bladnid were among them, alas, and only speak about the massacres. I defended you, of course, and attempted to make them hear reason, with some help from the cautious Dunkas. But our disagreement angered Vimbar. He decided to leave us and to seek counsel elsewhere. He wanted to go to the heart of the island to consult with Enon Milfrictiman.
Do you think he might have stayed there?
I doubt it. It was too long ago. You should travel to Wenshavar, his village. Even if he decided to stay away from his people, he would not have abandoned his closest friends.
Thank you, Ulan.
Anything else?
No.
Nothing. I must go.
Appreciate the help, my dude. Sorry, give me one sec. Alright. Now we're good. You know what? This is like a whole new map, isn't it? It is. So how are we looking on this quest? Oh, that's good. I kind of want to go back to Frasonegad. Yeah, let me do that real quick. I just want to go back there. I just want to get that check mark. Which one's Frasonegad? to. I just want to just go get that last campfire. Just kind of mopping stuff up. What campfire is this? Rocky Bluff Camp. Alright, so let's travel to the Rocky Bluff Camp. And then, let's go in. Shit, I wonder if I can even get up that. I feel like I can. A lot of bags.
Maybe enlighten protect me.
Bit of poison on my brain.
This leashing is so stupid.
Maybe enlighten protect me in this battle. May the shadow engulf our enemies. See if you can ward off the fate.
That is the one thing I absolutely despise about this game. Is the leashing. Cause like, I mean, I just backpedaled like 5 feet. Ah, damn it, I can't climb up this. Shit.
I need a bit of practice.
I need Vigor 3 just to get up there. So that's not gonna happen. Doesn't look like there's any way to go that way. Maybe go to the Vig Shadir camp? And go explore the rest of this map? This way. Sorry, I'm just trying to fill in the map. Bunch of assholes down here.
Maybe enlighten
Poison on my brain. And let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast your spell.
You're magically running out. Take a potion. May the shadow engulf our enemies. May the enlightened protect me in this.